An object is projected in horizontally. The object falls a vertical distance y and travel a horizontal distance x. A second object is projected horizontally with the same initial velocity and it's covering 4y vertical distance. Okay, assume that a resistance is this. Okay, what you have to keep in mind in this question, if you see this one is covering the x, you have to find it has covered distance x. Y is given, this has covered distance y and this is covering distance 4y. So what comes to my mind, that this second object have more time to fall towards the ground. Its time is different because it is covering more height, right? So let's sort it out for both the objects. For object 1, when we do, okay, so x is, as you know, horizontal velocity is same, is constant, will not change, so you can write it as x, that is horizontal distance, is equals to u, that is horizontal, that's right, as ux into time t. Okay, and time, how much it has taken for this is horizontal I am talking about. When we talk about the vertical distance, I have to apply the equation of motion, that was s is equals to ut plus half at square. Okay, so for the first object, this is y, u is vertical velocity 0, I'm talking about the vertical components. So 0 plus 1 by 2, A is basically equals to G, because A resistance is ignored, yes. And T will be equals to, let's write it as T square, okay. So I can say Y is equals to 1 by 2 GT square, okay. Let's try for the object 2, what we get. For object 2, it's a second is object, you have to find its, let's call it x1, this is y1, this is y1, so we have to find x2. X2 will be ux, that is same in both cases, and let's call this time t1, okay, for that. So this is t2, okay. So this for the horizontal component. When I talk about the vertical component, I have to apply same equation. I can apply same this one. So y2 will be equals to ut will be, u is 0, so it will be vertical component velocity, so it will be half g and t2 square. Okay. So what we have, I have to find t. So t2 is equals to 2y2 divided by g square root, right? So here you also find t1, just to relate, 2y1, this is g divided by g under the root, okay. So what we have, what is given, that y2 is 4 times of y1. This is the condition given, okay. So when you apply this thing, this will be 4y1 and divided by g. This thing will give you 2 when you take the square root of only 4, 2 times 2y1 over g. And if you see here, 2y1 over g is equals to t1. So t2 is 2 times of t1. Okay, t2 is 2 times of t1. Now I am going to find this thing. This is actually what we have to find. So x2 will be equals to ux into 2t1. It will give you 2 into ux into t1, and we know this thing is equals to x1. So x2 is equals to 2x1. So it will cover double the horizontal distance. It is option B that is correct.